This video shows a short case study about how the HP Thermal Inkjet 2.5 technology has been integrated into a wood sawmill. The Famjet Pleyon offers a reliable and flexible bulk ink delivery system, ideal for high-volume industrial coating and marking applications, providing clear and legible printing every time, which is cost-effective for both large and small characters. These bulk ink systems feature a new HP print head and a 400 ml cartridge, which offer a maintenance-free, long-range printing solution. The Famjet Pleyon enhances printing standards with its sophisticated inkjet technology and direct printing capability, offering cost-effective solutions that demonstrate superior efficiency and quality.